Guys, welcome to Hardest Info. Today I have Google Pixel 8a and I want to show you how set mobile data limits on this device. Our first step to do it is opening Settings application, where we choose first option Network and Internet. In it, SIMs, we choose our SIM card which we used, and there we scroll down and tap on data roaming and limit. In this part we can set our data limits. First we can set when our sales start, maybe first day of each month or day which you prefer. Then we can by the switch turn on and turn off data roaming, and we can set it in custom number, in gigabytes or megabytes, what you prefer. Maybe we set 5 gigabytes, and there we can turn on data limits, confirm by OK, and in the same style we can set it in custom number, maybe 10 gigabytes we set. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.